ocean currents. ये दो तीन पॉपुलर एरियाज हैं ओशनोग्राफी के, OBR, saline currents, and this I said is again lot of GS relevance होगा ये वाला, a lot of GS relevance. Okay, now, so ocean currents, what are they? These are bands of relatively swift moving, okay, water along the coasts of the oceans, along the coast of the continent, of the continents, or at the margins of the oceans. Okay? So ocean currents are, they are bands of relatively swift moving. So the speed can vary. It can vary from 5 kilometers an hour to sometimes as much as 15 or 20 kilometers an hour. Okay, it's not very, very fast the way we understand fast. This range mein hota hai. 5 kilometers to 15, 20 kilometers an hour. These are the more faster ones. Sometimes they are also as slow as, okay, even 1 to 2 kilometers an hour. That's why I use the word relatively swift. They're not like winds the way we know winds. Okay, and they're along the coasts of the continents and the margins of the oceans. Now, ये जो ocean currents हैं, the ocean currents, they are surface phenomena. ये surface में होते हैं, and we also have deep currents. We also have deep currents. The deep currents are part of a circulation called as thermohaline circulations. ये term आपने शायद सुना होगा. Okay, maybe Dimple Madam mentioned while discussing density, otherwise I'll do it. So ocean currents are of two types. There are surface phenomena. ये surface से मिलेगा आपको. When I say surface, these are generally within, okay, 50 to 80 meters के depth में होता है. Within. Okay, they are generally within 50 to 80 meters depth. Okay, depth, and rarely, and these are rarely below 100 or 150 meters. They are rarely below 100 or 150 meters. That's why I'm saying that they are relatively shallow. When I say surface phenomena, these are in the relatively shallow waters. The relatively shallow waters within 50 to 80 meters depth and rarely beyond 100-150 meters depth. Some of them can become deeper. Like say, for example, there is a current called as a Gulf Stream. There's a current called Gulf Stream. Gulf Stream ka impact jo hai, the impact of Gulf Stream can be for depths of as much of 200 to 250 meters mein bhi hota hai. The Gulf Stream is one type of a current. It is a warm current found along the eastern coast of North America. Okay, Gulf Stream. Iska jo impact hai, the impact of Gulf Stream can be at a deeper level, at depths of around 200 to 250 meters also. Otherwise, most currents are relatively shallow. Isko bolte hain surface currents. And the other type we said are the deep currents. They are also called as thermohaline currents. In some books, they might write this as, okay, ocean conveyor belts. They are also called as ocean conveyor belts also. They're also called as ocean conveyor belts. ठीक है?